before I take Tux around, I gotta wait for Stripe to move. He's coming, aren't you? Come on, let's go. Let's go, bud. Come on, let's go. Come on, just come past him. Just come. Just come. Come on. Food. Right here. Your food. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Good boy. Oh, my mornings. I would just feed him on top of the platform, but he keeps on jumping down. Maybe in the winter, when it's cold, he'll be moving a little slower. He won't want to leave the heating pad so quick. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. He was still asleep. I'm a half an hour early today. Don had something he needed to do for work. Hey, bud. Well, it's going to be 95 today, but right this minute it doesn't feel too bad. I am headed to the chiropractor and Guardian Angel Apex. I don't know if I'll hit Whole Foods today or not, since I hit Whole Foods on Sunday. We'll see. We're at the park and it's walk time. Don got his work stuff sorted out. I've been doing college paperwork stuff this morning. It's busy and it's not even 9 o'clock yet. So they did mow the trail yesterday, or this morning. There's a couple of ruts back by the opening because it's so wet. They did what they could do. I mean, it needed mowed, but it was it's, you know, wet along the side over here. The water drains downhill toward the creek on the left, and it can be slushy sometimes. Alright, we're here and on the track for our 3 laps. Clocking a pretty good pace this morning. These kids were coming up the trail on their bikes and scooters and having a good old time today. Haven't seen them before. Coming up this hill at the very end is killer. It is. It's so nice when you start out, but it's not so nice when you come back. We're ready to be off the trail and out of the humidity. Driving Joules again today. I miss Ruby, but I'm thankful for Joules. Well, I've left myself the standard 2 minutes to spare. Should be fine. It's a pretty day. Joules says it's 84. She was sitting outside while I showered, so I believe 84 is accurate. It feels 88 or better. The humidity is out there, but the air temperature is reasonable for July. Excuse me, August now, for August. Supposed to be the hottest month. Parking lot's busier today. Not sure what's going on. It's right at 11. I'm hustling. I'm headed into Guardian Angel Apex now. I'm done with my PEMF treatment. I do think that it helped. I've been having a lot of pain. I haven't been talking about it too much. Well, that Tesla has one of its windows down. The blue one there, but also that has a North Carolina plate, so that might not be a Hertz. But the Pennsylvania plate here and the New York plate there. The only way I can tell 100% for sure is to look for the Hertz box on the front windshield. So it sounded like good stuff coming out of Hertz this week. Yeah, that blue Y is not Hertz. It's North Carolina plate and private owned. It doesn't have the box. These two do though. So there's 2 Tesla Hertz rentals here that I've seen so far. They said they have a lot of repeat people. Well, duh. If you can afford the Tesla rental in the first place, and you get trained up on how to use it with the key card and stuff, I absolutely understand people coming back. They said the maintenance was down. EVs are resale value right now is good. Hertz sounded positive. It all sounded good. I don't need it for anything, but it is an official Lego branded backpack. I found a couple of Lego dragons and this Longaberger basket for Michelle. Candle pins because, you know, well, every candle needs a pin. Maybe if they were cats or owls and not pineapples and pears and apples. Just the Lego dragons in the basket today. That was all I saw. No jewelry week after week. Michelle haven't been striking good on that lately. I really, like I said, I don't need to go to Whole Foods today because I got Whole Foods on Sunday, and Johnny and I will be downtown tomorrow, so if I change my mind that I need something, we could always stop on the way home after the orientation. Although I might have Dawn and not be coming that way. But anyway, I think I have other chances this week. And I'm just going to head back to the house, maybe work on my Lego project a bit. I'm trying to be gingerly with my back. Standing is good, sitting is not so good right now. So anyway, it's hot now. Joules says it's 92. I think we're supposed to be 95 today or something. Hey, nighttime, how are you? You gonna help? Dawn's on a conference call. Johnny's eating good lunch with some leftover pork and some shiitake mushrooms and cheese. I'm gonna work on window treatments and probably the back side of the floor over here. You know, I'm still waiting on tiles. If I get to a point where I'm waiting on stuff, I've got some furniture I can build for the interiors also. It's like going on 2:30, so maybe I'll get in a couple hours on it. Time to take Johnny to Taekwondo. It's 6:45. I've been working since whenever it was I started. I don't know, 3-4 hours ago. I have the backside here ready to go on. Anything that's not finished is because I think my little wall here is hitting. First time I've tried it with the bed there. Anything that's not done, I'm going to have to adjust the little handrail. It's one in too far. Going to have to do something different, remove it or whatever. And I got a lot of the decoration done on the windows on the front. So I'm basically waiting on bricks now. I'm pretty much, I mean, there's a couple little things I can do, but I'm pretty much waiting on bricks now. Got a lot done today though. Like how these windows turned out on the back side. Johnny's at Taekwondo and I am headed over to Walmart. So I guess we're gonna have to set up the alarm for 6 tomorrow. God, I don't want to set it for 5:30 like it's a school day. We gotta be downtown, the orientation at 8. Since Johnny can't get marked tardy, I guess we'll risk it and get up at 6. Try to be out the door at 7. It won't take the full hour probably, although that is the wrong time of the morning to be going downtown. You know, if we get out of the house at 6:40-ish, that works out well, but if we get out any later, the traffic builds pretty quick. You start losing time, it starts taking longer. Hopefully they've got Ruby's part and all's good for the service appointment tomorrow. I meant to ping Tesla today and ask them and didn't do it. It's too late now. Coats in August, you gotta love it.